Are you frustrated doing jobs and tolerating insults from your boss? Are you frustrated from traveling for 3 hours or more to and from workplace and getting stuck in the traffic? Do you want to quit the job rat race and start making money from home? You may be wondering if you can get rich from online or affiliate marketing. Yes, you can make tons of money with affiliate marketing. Much more than you can make from doing a job. The good thing is that you can even make money while you sleep. You can make a lot of money promoting affiliate products from Clickbank. It is not uncommon.
You can easily make $500 to $1,000 per day with Clickbank or other affiliate networks. I am not saying it is easy, but it is doable. You may not achieve it overnight, but if you are consistent and determined, you can make it much quicker than other businesses. For more information on how to make money and succeed online, visit www.tossingcoins.com.